This scatter plot one says the shoe sizes and heights for 20 students are plotted as an ordered pair. Which scatter plot shows the most accurate line of best fit? So remember, this line of best fit concept is about half the dots are above and about half the dots are below. So I feel like it's pretty obvious for us that more dots than not are below this line. So I'm going to say not the best line of fit. And if I look down at choice D, I also see a similar thing. Most of the dots are below it. So we have a couple to choose from. It looks to me that choice B also has most of its dots below. But if you look at choice C, I'll even zoom in a little bit, you can see they're roughly evenly distributed. We could even count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then your other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 2 on the line, so they're right, or 3 right on the line. Actually, it looks like 4. And you also want that line to follow the data really well. So I'm going to say that we have a choice C for this one.